Good morning from Zion National Park. The sun's coming up over the hills. It's going to be another beautiful day. We're going to start making our way back to Portland, head north from Zion. I'm sure we'll find some great adventures along the way, so I hope you'll come along for another Squatch Dog adventure. One thing I'll say about Zion National Park is it's busy. It's a busy park. These are all people that are getting on the shuttle to go hiking today. This is nothing. I think that one of the reasons why it's so busy today is because a lot of schools have spring break this week. So if you're gonna come, don't come in the summer and don't come during spring break. If you come here, make sure that you bring your waders so that you can go through the Narrows. We didn't. So we didn't go. There are outfitters outside of the park where you can get your wetsuits, so you'll want to pre-order those if you plan on going through the Narrows. Here we go. We're gonna be leaving Zion. Which is really a bummer. And here they come. Everybody's coming to Zion National Park. It's starting to feel real, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. We're heading home.
Yeah. Making the turn. Heading home. If we can get out of Zion.
I can't believe all the traffic and RVs that are coming in here. It's just like nonstop rolling. People rolling through. Gotta say, it's just as pretty outside the park as it is inside the park in some areas. We just went through the town of Tokerville.
Interesting name for a town in Utah.
I'd have to say, very interesting. So we're coming into the Wasatch Range, snow-topped mountains. Salt Lake, and it's hard to believe that 23 years ago you and I lived here.
You counted?
I did, 23 years ago. And you know what's even crazier about it is this town is not even recognizable to me anymore.
It's one big Wasatch Front.
It is. It's grown so much since we moved away. It's crazy. Matter of fact, I think we just passed the exit to where our house used to be. It's right up here. This is the exit to where our house used to be.
Snowbird and Alta.
Snowbird and Alta. We used to live at the base of Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons. I loved that house. That house was amazing. We used to live over there at the base of Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons. What they call the benches. I heard that they don't have very much snow, and it certainly doesn't look like they do, does it? Does it?
Hard to tell from
looking from here, you can tell. There's not much snow up there.
I think you're right.
You can see the state capitol and you can see the very top of the temple downtown. Coming into Idaho. Yay!
One more state to go through.
And then we'll be home.
Okay.
Hey! This is where we're spending our last night on the road tonight. At Trail Break RV Park and Campsite in Glenns Ferry, Idaho. It's $30 for us because we're self-contained, so we don't need an RV hookup tonight. So we're only going to do $30 for a tent camping site. But unfortunately, the tent camping sites don't have an actual parking space, so we're just basically parking right in front of our tent camping site. The other thing that's unfortunate about this place is it's really close to the highway. So we're hearing a lot of traffic noise. But what's kind of fun about this place is it's right next to a farm. So we've got a donkey, and we've got lots of sheep and even little lambs out there in the field to look at. The other thing that's great about this place is it's got showers, and that's something that we really want. We want to get all cleaned up and ready to go tomorrow before we leave. So this is where we're gonna spend the night tonight. Trail Break RV and Campsite in Glenns Ferry, Idaho. And for our last meal tonight, I'm gonna make some spaghetti. That should be pretty good. With a glass of wine. Red wine, of course. For our last meal, I made spaghetti.
Called it our last meal.
Our last meal on our trip. How is it? Is it good?
Real good.
Yeah?
I think I like it better that way than in the Instant Pot.
Probably, yeah.
I wonder why.
I think the Instant Pot kind of doesn't cook it very well.
Yeah, it makes the noodles weird.
Yeah. Nope, this is better. Well, here we go. Ching ching. Our last meal. Our last supper. Tonight, we are finishing everything off with a little bit of Ben & Jerry's. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll give you a bite. But in the meantime, happy trails.